Hello everyone, today I want to walk you through one of the most exciting events called Business GoVirtual. This is Hong Kong's first physical B2B tech and business event in the post-pandemic era. They are hosting in a hybrid format, physical at Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Center, as well as the virtual called GoVirtual Army. So let's take a look to the online exhibition. Once you click into the event page, you'll see they are using EventX platform for the virtual part for the audience. So let's join the event together. This is the lobby area where you can see they have some sponsor and promoting videos, so people can have better ideas for the event. Let's move to the exhibition hall. You can base on filter functions to find the exhibition halls and booths that you're looking for. For example, you will see different booth information, exhibitor company background, and also their product. And the best part is you can send a message or a video call to a representative if you are interested to learn more about their product. Moving on to the conference part. As I mentioned earlier, this event starts from 30th to 19th of July. You can see there on-demand video for people who missed their live sessions. For the exhibitor list, you can see they put all their exhibitor here so people can find their company website easily and directly. Last but not least is the product list. Instead of scrolling through all their products, you can also filter the product based on different categories. So this is a quick introduction of the GoVirtual Army. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.